be starting with today. The Kyber Crystal. The Kyber Crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. The force flows through it and magnifies it. The color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. The gatherers and I have collected 4 different colors for you today. We went through a lot to get these, but I'll start with this one right here. The blue Kyber Crystal. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. The green Kyber Crystal. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and even Luke Skywalker himself. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And red. The Crystal of Power. Once wielded by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now, Kylo Ren. But enough about that.